Dear students, now we are going to discuss the genetic material is DNA by Hershey and Chase experiment. In NCERT textbook, it was given after biochemical characterization of transforming principle by Avery, MacLeod, and McCarthy. According to that experiment, the DNA was the genetic material, but most of the scientists they didn't believe the concept. And here we are going to demonstrate that the DNA is the genetic material. Okay. And this experiment is unequivocal final judgment, no question. So it is a final judgment regarding the genetic material. The genetic material as DNA. The DNA is the genetic material. Okay. The genetic material is DNA. By Hershey and Chase. Hershey and Chase experiment. So this is a unequivocal experimental evidence, final judgment. And according to this experiment, all the biologists believed that the DNA was the genetic material in Griffith experiment. Okay. So according to Hershey and Chase, in their experiment, what they selected? They selected a lytic cycle of bacteriophage, a virus. Okay, so that is able to replicate within bacterial cells. Lytic cycle of bacteriophages. So here requirements, bacteria required, bacterial cells, certain number of bacteriophages. Next, radioactive isotopes. Radioactive isotopes. What are they? Radioactive isotopes. 35 sulfur, 32 phosphate, 35 sulfur radioactive isotope, 32p phosphate radioactive isotope. Okay, next, other techniques. Blender mission, one type of equipment, a blender mission for separation. We'll see what is that separation. Next, centrifugation and auto radiography. This one was not given, leave it, no problem. We'll see what is auto radiography. Autoradiography means with the help of that technique, we can trace out the presence of radioactive isotopes. Okay. Next, culture medium. Right. Okay. So before moving into experiment 1 and experiment 2, in your textbook, 2 experiments given. Before that, we should know about what is bacteriophage. Phage is a virus which is able to complete its replication within bacterial cytoplasm or bacterial cell. So here, what are the components of a bacteriophage is very, very important. So this is a head part, proteinaceous, tail core, and this is a tail sheath, proteinaceous. Okay, attached to this is attached to hexagonal tail plate, tail fibers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tail fibers. From each tail pin, the structure of that one is already completed. Okay, so this part is a protein part, bacteriophage protein. So this blue colored one, complete one. This is a protein capsid. Protein capsid or capsule, both are correct. Capsid or capsule. So protein coat or capsid with amino acids with sulfur. Okay, so in the amino acids of that protein, sulfur is one of the components. Sulfur containing amino acids, cysteine and methionine, sulfur containing amino acids. Okay, right? Next, inside lengthiest DNA molecule, double stranded DNA, linear DNA. So they selected a bacteriophage with DNA as the genetic material. Okay, in your textbook, QB bacteriophage was given. QB bacteriophage with RNA as the genetic material. So in bacteriophages, the genetic material is either DNA or RNA. Okay, so chemically, bacteriophage is a ribonucleoprotein. Nucleoprotein. So this one is a deoxy ribonucleoprotein, deoxy, DNA protein. So DNA plus protein. So they selected this bacteriophage. What about this bacteriophage? This one is protein plus RNA. So this one is ribonucleoprotein. They didn't selected a QB bacteriophage. Reason, the question was about DNA molecule, but not about RNA molecule. At the end of Biochemical characterization of transforming principle by Avery, MacLeod, McCart. The result, final result according to that experiment was DNA molecule as the genetic material, but not the RNA molecule. So in bacteriophages, ribonucleoproteinaceous bacteriophage is present. Deoxyribonucleoproteinaceous bacteriophage is also present. So they selected this one only, but not that one. Most of the bacteriophages are having DNA as the genetic material, but some are having RNA as the genetic material. The question is about DNA as genetic material, but not RNA as genetic material. So that's why they selected bacteriophage with DNA as a genetic material. Okay. So don't use this one in this experiment. Remove it. Okay. Right. And very, very important thing. In protein, sulfur is present. In DNA, phosphate is present. Okay. So protein with sulfur, sulfur containing amino acids. DNA with phosphate. So in protein and DNA, carbon, hydrogen, oxygen common. Along with the carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, and to some extent nitrogen in the case of DNA, they are having sulfur and phosphate. So that knowledge also very, very important. Reason, what type of radioactive isotopes they selected? 35S, 32P. So that's why they targeted protein and DNA. And for that, they selected a bacteriophage with DNA as the genetic material. Moreover, here we are going to decide DNA as the genetic material. So, according to this experiment, the competition is in between protein and DNA. Out of these two, which one was the genetic material according to this experiment? So, with the help of this experiment, they demonstrated that in most of the organisms, in the case of Griffith also, biochemical characterization of transforming principle also, DNA was the genetic material. Okay, is it clear? Right? Now,